Here's a quick guide on how to post an ad on Gumtree. First, go to gumtree.com and sign in. If you don't have an account, create one. Once you're in, click the Post an Ad button in the top right. That opens the main listing form. Start by typing the name of the item you're selling. Gumtree will suggest categories. Pick the most accurate one. Next, set your location. Enter your postcode or select your city. Local visibility makes a big difference in how fast your item sells. Then upload your photos. Add multiple clear shots with good lighting. Show the item from every angle and include close-ups. Reorder the images so your best photo is first. Now add your title and description. In the description, include as many specifications about the item as you can. Choose the condition of the item and set a price. After that, Gumtree will offer paid listing upgrades like featured placement. If you want extra exposure, pick one. Otherwise, skip it. Then, choose how buyers can contact you. I recommend using Gumtree messages until you trust the person. Finally, preview everything and click Post Ad. Your listing goes live instantly, and you can edit or renew at any time under My Ads. And remember, meet buyers in public places, check payments properly, and don't overshare personal info. That's it.